Hi everyone, I'm Naz from Glojas. Hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I have a very interesting topic to share with all of you, which is looking much younger without going under the knife. A simple beauty regime and you can completely enhance your look to look much younger. To avoid surgeries, these days one can opt for our non-invasive procedures in which you don't have to go under the knife without losing your original look with no downtime. In the old days, people in their mid-30s did plastic surgery procedures to look much younger, but today we have our non-invasive aesthetic procedures which are equally good. So I would like to advise both men and women of all ages. At Glojas, we have many non-invasive treatments to maintain your youthfulness without any plastic surgery procedures. To maintain youthfulness, do follow up with us and call us now to book an appointment for your free consultation only at Glojas. Glojas brings out the best in you.